Hello guys, nandito kami sa maze. Ito ang pinakamalaki na maze. Tingnan nyo. One side lang itong binibidyo ko muna guys. Yeah. So ito yung middle. Ito yung middle. So ito tingnan nyo guys. It's very tricky. Yan. Ang laki. So, one side lang ito guys ha. Tapos ito yung yung bridge. Tapos dito naman yung sa kabila. Yun, ikutin nyo talaga ito guys. Ikutin nyo talaga ito hanggang makarating kayo sa gitna. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Yan, ito yung gitna. Alam nyo guys, naka 20 minutes kami ng kahahanap ng way paakyat dito sa taas. Yan. Yan. Very tricky talaga. Yan. Maraming dead end. So, yung iba, nag-help din sila talaga. Pag yung dito ka na sa taas, nag-help sila guys. Which way you going. Pero grabe ang laki. So nandoon pa sa kabila, paikot ito talaga. Ito yung gitna. Ayan. Diba? Ayan. Grabe. Sobrang laki guys. Alam nyo, kahit siguro isang oras, pwede kayo dito na maglakad-lakad na isang oras, hindi nyo pa makita yung way dito sa middle. Alam nyo yung mga tao na yan, kanina pa yan sila, inuuna pa yan sila sa amin. Tingnan nyo. Nandyan pa sila sa baba. Nandyan pa sila. Ito din kasama namin sila pumasok. Nandyan pa sila, hindi pa nila, ang layo pa nila ma-reach yung middle. Diba? See, this the view guys, the background of the maze. Yeah. So natakot kami babalik sa kung saan kami galing kasi I think it's gonna take us maybe 1 hour to find our way out. Daddy. So what we're going to do, actually guys, this is the middle. You see, if you reach this middle, this is the middle of the maze. See this? So this is very tricky. You find your way? Yeah, this is the way out.
Yeah.
Yeah. See the view? Guys. Grabe. So, ayaw namin i-try pa going round. Actually, this is the way out. This one here. So, I think some people died. I think they're, I don't know, some people, they really stop looking or keep trying. You keep trying to find the middle. Grabe guys. You're gonna get lost here. Right, grabe.
People get really stuck like all day in it, you know.
Guys, we don't want to try to go back inside the maze to be out. Look, it's really you can take your run on a run for 1 hour if you don't really know. It's more than 1 hour. How about if you really get lost? Somebody will help, or well, especially if a child. Well, suppose you can go up here and then see where is the thing, isn't it? Grabe guys. Yeah. We're not going to take the rest. Request people. Nandito kami sa Kasulwilan. this is the castle. You can see they are so pretty. Yeah. Ba, ang ganda. The last time hire namin itong castle, guys. Filipino community. Back to what year that we hired this castle, Dad?
Oh, it would have been about 12 years ago.
Yeah. I think 12 years ago, we hired the whole castle for the Filipino community. Nag-stay kami dito, guys, ng how many days that we stayed here, Dad, in the castle?
A weekend.
A weekend, yeah, weekend stay. That time, 12 years ago, hindi pa masyadong madami ang Pilipino dito, guys. So, gin-organize ko. Ako nag-organize, guys, ng gin-book itong castle. Kasi that time, nag-organize talaga ako. So, gin-organize ko itong castle. Gin-hire namin for the weekend. Yan. So, nag-stay kami dito. Ang dami namin. I don't know, I think may mga 50 people, 50 Filipinos family. So, di ba? Ang ganda. Yan. So pretty. So, it's not belong to the National Trust. It's a private owned something Christian association. So, ito, ang ganda sa loob, guys. Tuwang-tuwa kami nung na-hire namin ito. Well, ako ang in charge. Ako ang in charge na nag-hire nito, guys. So, everyone's happy. Naka-stay kami dito sa castle. Oh, ito oh. Ang daming mga dito. Yan, kasi ang ganda ng weather. Yan. Yan, family outing. Yan, may nagka-canoeing. Something activities today. So, harap ito ng castle, guys. Yan oh. So, harap ito ng castle. Tapos, iikot ko kayo. Tapos, ito yung ground ng castle. Tapos, ikot ko kayo, guys. So, ito na yung castle. So, dito talaga sa harap. Yan. Diba? Ang pangit ang boses ko, guys. Kasi may sore throat ako. Yan. O, diba? Ang ganda. So, ito yung ground nila, diba? Sobrang laki. Yan. Yung mga the families, they are outing today. Diba? Yan. Very popular. So, this is a lake. So, maglakad-lakad kami ni Daddy dito sa lake. Around the lake. So, ang ganda ng weather. So, this is the lake. Ang laki nito. Yan. So, maglalakad kami, guys, along this, around the lake. So, yeah. So, medyo, hindi pa kami nakahalfway. Kasi malaki itong lake. Yeah. We're not even halfway, Dad, isn't it? No. So, ikot. Okay. Look at this, guys. It's like a walruses. See? And water lily. Yeah. Ito yung blind date ko. Hello. Yun yung blind date ko. Naghihintay. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So there's another side of the lake. See the castle on the other side of the lake. There's the people canoeing, Dad. You see the castle, guys. You see the castle on the other side of the river. Oh, not the river. The lake. Yan. Grabe. Annoying. So this is a good view. Look at these people. It's more people now than earlier, Dad. Oh, diba guys? Ang ganda. So that's the Castle Welland Castle. Yeah. So there's more activities here for the families. See? That's very nice. Yeah, I think it's 12 years ago. Yeah. Are organized sa Filipino weekend. Sa Filipino, what you call that thing? Filipino community weekend, like gathering, guys. So I'll do hire this castle for the weekend. So quite nice. Diba? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Do you remember their grand stairs? It's quite big. Yeah. You see the one, guys? But that's 12 years ago. And I don't know if they hire or like a Airbnb or hotel for like only a couple. No, just only for like a big community, isn't it? Groups. Yeah, only for the big groups, guys. Or as I remember, because I hired this one once. Yeah, see, there's quite nice, beautiful. Yeah. So magandang araw ngayon. That's why yung mga people. And this place, they are very good in autumn. This is so beautiful, guys, in autumn time. See the leaves, different colors. Oh, that's far now.